Hello everyone, welcome to another video from the React tutorial series, and in this video we are going to discuss about the history of React. So before we learn about the history of React, let's discuss in brief about React that we have already learned. So what is React? React is an open source declarative efficient and flexible JavaScript library created by Meta's Jordan Walke for building user interfaces based on UI components. In the MVC architecture, that is the model view controller architecture, an application is separated into three main components, namely the model, the view and the controller. Each of these units of this architecture paradigm takes care of one of the aspects of the web application development. React was introduced to take care of the view layer of the application. So as we have already discussed in maybe the second or third video, React was designed with an idea to handle the view layer of an application. Okay. Now let's learn about the history of React. So the early prototype of React was known as Fax.js, which was developed by Jordan as he was heavily influenced by XHP, a simple HTML component framework for PHP. React made its debut in 2011 when it was first used in Facebook's newsfeed. In the next year, it was picked by Instagram to use it in their own system. And you must also know one more thing. In 2017, Facebook announced React Fiber, a new internal rendering algorithm replacing its old rendering algorithm Stack. So remember, the old rendering algorithm was Stack and the new rendering algorithm which we use is known as React Fiber. With this change though, the syntax to make applications didn't change, but how the code is executed changed. React Fiber was pretty fast in comparison to its ancestor. It could support complex animation smoothly and enhance smoother on-screen rendering process. So basically we can come down to the fact that with the introduction of React Fiber in 2017, the performance of the React application boosted a lot. Okay. So I believe that this is a small introduction on the history of React which every developer must know. So now let's see on the use of React. So React facilitated the development of single page applications which improve the performance of the web applications by reducing the reloading of web page for every user interaction. React follow a component approach to make user interfaces which highly increases code reusability and trim down the development time for any application. Besides this, due to this component approach, code becomes very easier to read and maintain in the long run. So if you can connect with the previous video, you can understand that this line that improved the performance of the web application by reducing the reloading of web page actually connects with your single page application. That is, by reducing the reloading of web page for every user interaction, there was a huge boost in performance. Okay, especially with the advent of web 3.0, cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, the demand for React developer has seen a good growth in few years. Modern day web frameworks like Next.js are now in use for building React applications, which provides features like server-side rendering, code splitting, static exporting and easy production builds. Now again, server-side rendering was one of the major drawbacks of single-page applications, which I said that Next.js mitigated. Okay, so that is about the use case of React. And one thing I also would like to mention here, so if you learn React, basically you have a scope to learn React Native in the future, which helps you to develop mobile applications using this same single page application concept. Okay, so this is a brief discussion on the history of React and its use cases. So if you think this video is informative, you can hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. This keeps us motivated to release far better videos in the upcoming future. And if you have any queries, doubts, feedbacks or suggestions, you are cordially welcome to post them in the comment section. We are going to reply. Okay, so that's it for now. See you in the next video. Bye.